The court should acquit ex-Central Narcotics Bureau Chief Ng Boon Gay as the evidence against him was undesirably weak, said Ng's lawyer, Mr. Tan Chee Meng. Speaking after the prosecution closed their case on day 9 of the corruption trial, Mr. Tan said the defence had no case to answer. Mr. Ng is currently facing 4 charges of corruptly receiving sexual gratification in the form of oral sex from Ms. Cecilia Su in exchange for furthering the business interests of her former employers, Hitachi Data Systems and Oracle Singapore. However, Mr. Tan argued that the oral sex Ms. Su performed should not be considered as gratification as she did not complete them, leaving the accused unhappy and frustrated. This means that Mr. Ng never got what he allegedly wanted from Ms. Su, and if there was no gift or bribe given, there is no gratification. Mr. Tan said, if the prosecution's case is that the accused had forced Ms. Su to give him oral sex against her will, they should have charged him with outrage of modesty or extortion, not corruption. Mr. Tan added that the only facts the prosecution can prove are that Mr. Ng is a civil servant and that there was oral sex on the 4 occasions, but there is no evidence to support that the oral sex was just a transaction or a benefit. Defence counsel Mr. Tan argued that the prosecution lacks evidence to prove that 1. The oral sex was a gift, benefit or advantage. 2. The oral sex was an inducement for Mr. Ng to show favour. 3. That Mr. Ng accepted the gratification with a guilty knowledge. And 4. That Mr. Ng showed Ms. Su's employers business favours because of his relationship with Ms. Su. Mr. Tan pointed out that the timeline for the second charge is highly questionable. Since October 2011, Ms. Su was pursuing business dealings for her future employer, Oracle Singapore, which was proven by correspondences with Mr. Koh Hong Eng, a senior director of Oracle Corporation. She joined Oracle on November 21st and was serving her resignation notice at Hitachi Data Systems when the alleged offence took place. Why would she want to advance the business interests of Hitachi in November when she had sought employment at Oracle? Asked the defence. Mr. Tan highlighted that when Mr. Ng could have done something corrupt, he didn't. When the 46-year-old joined CNB in January 2011, he had suggested for the remaining budget of 2010 to be used to renovate the CNB office and not spend it on IT contracts. In the next clip, the defence explained why Cecilia Su had lied in court about the intimate relationship she shared with Ng Boon Gay.